The train care center in Basin Bridge at Chennai Central cleans over 350 coaches a day. For this intense, arduous task, it requires about 2 lakh liters of clean water. Let's see from where all this clean water comes from. The metro water supply gives 35 lakh liters of potable water each day to all the railway installations around Basin Bridge. From this, 14 lakh liters of potable water are taken by the train care center for human consumption and for watering the coaches as well as for cleaning the coaches. After coach cleaning, the polluted runoff water was earlier being disposed in the city sewage lines. To eliminate water wastage and promote environment conservation, a water recycling plant was set up. Opened in January 2015, it recycles polluted runoff water from coach washing and sends it again for coach cleaning. The installed capacity of this water recycling plant is 10 lakh liters daily. Currently, it recycles 2 lakh liters of runoff water each day. Let us now take a look at the water recycling process. The polluted runoff water is collected in large wells near the plant. From these collection wells, the water is first taken to the grit screening tank. The pollutants are mainly biodegradable organic compounds and insoluble inorganic compounds. Next are the 2 chemical reaction tanks in which the screened dirty water is mixed with flocculating chemicals like lime and alum to remove inorganic compounds. From the chemical reaction tanks, the grey water is led to the first tube settler for clarification. The clarified grey water, now containing organic compounds, is pumped to the 2 bioreactors. In these twin bioreactors, the grey water is thoroughly aerated with forced air. Optimum biomass is added to start sludge mass growth. In this process, the BOD gets digested and forms sludge mass. Suitable diffusers are added to help in the mixing of bulk. These diffusers perform the dual function of transferring atmospheric oxygen as well as mixing the aerated mass. From the bioreactors, the aerated grey water is taken to the second tube settler. Most of the biomass settles at the bottom. Clear water from the second tube settler is taken to a transit tank. Chlorine is added here for further purification. This chlorinated clear water is then passed through the pressure sand filter tank, and then through the activated carbon filter tank. The recycled water is now collected in an underground reservoir. Finally, the clear recycled water is pumped up to the overhead tank which has a capacity of 4.5 lakh liters. From this overhead tank, the recycled, clear, safe water is fed through pipes at the cleaning lines for washing and cleaning your coaches. Quality control tests are conducted periodically. This is to confirm that the recycled water meets all standards for reuse. Runoff water will be collected from more lines to increase the recycled water quantity. This will ensure that coach washing will not require metro water supply any longer. With the increase in quantity of recycling runoff water, the next step is to supply this recycled water for cleaning the cement concrete apron in Chennai Central Station. Though it takes 5 hours of intense work to clean just one train, it takes just 5 minutes to soil just one coach. This can be prevented by the passengers improving their own civic sense and participating in the cleanliness process. Indian Railways wishes you a happy, safe, and clean journey.